Oh.
Go here. I will go there. I will go. You go here. I will go there. I will go here. I will go there.
You will go there? You will come here?
Yes.
Why?
You go here. You go here.
Okay, then.
Then close the door. I will you come here.
Okay, wait. I will come there.
Okay.
Ito daw ako doon sa likod. Puno yung parking ah. Puno yung parking. Sa likod. Oh! What are you doing there?
I will try. Daddy, let's go to Tita Yini. I will try to Tita Yini. Let's go to Tita Yini.
Again?
Daddy, I was careful.
Huh?
I was careful.
Yes, you have to drive carefully. Because I think you don't have license pa.
Yes, I don't have license.
Ano mo naman, nakakapag-drive eh. Naka-neutral naman. Huh?
I will start the car.
Yeah, the car already started. Tinanggal ko yung isang headrest kasi yan, pag nakaupo siya dito sa aray. Nakaupo siya dito sa car seat niya. Hindi niya tanaw yung harap. Ayan no. So pag nakaupo siya dito sa car seat niya, hindi niya tanaw yung harap. Kaya tinanggal ko yung isang headrest. Wala naman kasi masyadong umuupo dito sa harapan. So yung sa akin lang may headrest. Ganyan. So para kita niya yung harapan, yung mga trucks, ganyan. Kasi mahilig siya sa mga trucks si Kuya Yusuf. Yeah, Kuya? Where's nanay pala? Kuya? Oh, I thought you're going to drive.
I'm going to try.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh. Where are we going? Let's go to?
Tita Yini.
To Tita Yinin?
Yes.
Oh. And then?
To your mommy and Kuya Mo.
To Yoya Mommy and Kuya Mo?
Yes.
Oh.
It's not there. It's only here.
It's here?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
We're here.
We're here. Oh, call Tita Linlin. Tell her they're here. Call in the telephone.
Okay.
The telephone is there behind you. Go and get the telephone. Put in your ears.
Hello, Tita Yinin. We're here.
Kuya, show in the camera. Okay.
Tita Yinin, we're here.
Say salam. Assalamualaikum, Tita Linlin.
Welcome. Yinin.
Again.
I'm excited. Tita Yinin.
Oh, what the Tita Linlin said? Is she coming back? Is she coming or she's sleeping? Maybe she's eating in the toilet like that.
Yes.
What is she doing?
He's eating food.
Tita Linlin is eating food?
Yes. Tita Yinin is eating.
Oh, let's go to to Tita. Let's go to Tita.
Alpha. Tatay, can you start the car?
The car started already.
Yes, the car is starting already. I will call your mommy.
Okay.
Your mommy, we're here.
Huh? Again?
We're here to you.
Call to Lola Mommy again. Show me.
Your mommy, we're
Show in the camera.
Your mommy, we're here.
We're here po.
We're here po.
Ang cute niya dito. Ano to car freshener. Tang amoy. Galing pa kay Tita
Let's go to
B.
Kuya Mo.
Sige. Okay, go to Kuya Mo.
And Kuya Ali.
Kuya Yusuf, let's ask Tita Bixie to bring for baby Ismael, yeah?
No.
So baby Ismael and you together.
Yes. Can you start the car? Please?
Okay.
Okay, we're here.
We're here. Are you crazy?
Yes, we're here in the
Kiss me. Mwah, I love you.
I love you, Ben. Good for you.
Oh wait, I will go in the front. I will go outside.
Okay. Okay.
Ay, si Kuya Yusuf. Ah. Kuya Yusuf! Andiyan siya sa loob. Andito kami sa palengke. Ayan. Nabili si wifey. Oh. Kuya Yusuf! I'm waiting for nanay only, okay? Nabakit. May mawakif doon. Ah, may magpapark. Ando si YP. Ito yung nakatayo. Ano yan eh. Mawakif yan. So pag hindi ka nag-paid ng parking mo, the last time yung pinost ko, i-scan niya lang yung plate number mo. Makikita na yan sa system nila. Ayan, oh. Makikita na yan sa system nila. Actually, yung isang plate number ko sa likod, may ano yun eh, may barcode yun. Eto. Ayan. Sasalik ata yan. Sasalik, ayan oh. May barcode yung plate number ko. Maganda dito sa UAE. So, i-scan lang nila yan. Tapos, makita nila kung naka-register ka o hindi. Ayan o. Kausap niya yung isang lokal na nakapark dito sa akin. Kasi nga, saglit lang daw siya. Pinipicturean niya. May hawak siyang parang cellphone. Tapos, yun, makita niya kung nagbayad ka o hindi. Pag di ka nagbayad, nasa 400 yan dirham. Ang mukhalfa or fine. Ayan. Kaya dapat bukas yung ilaw mo. Ayan, hintay lang namin si wifey. Hindi na kami sumama doon sa palengke. Ayun. Bukas yung AC kahit malamig.